If you're a professional and are still using the tape for painting, it's better not to paint anymore. Being left-handed or right-handed is really important in this case, because if you are left-handed you have to start from right, and if you are right-handed you have to start from left, and you will see the difference when you do it. And because I'm a right-handed, I'm gonna start from here. You have to press it a little bit so the edge of the brush is gonna go with the corner. You don't need to do anything special. You just compress it a little bit and just go with the same pressure. Go with the same pressure. That's it. This is gonna be a perfect corner. And then for here we can go this little bit from the right, because you cannot go like this when you're going from the left. So a little bit, like 4 to 5 inches from the other side, you can go like this because you can see easier. Like this again. We should press it a little bit and go like this. You shouldn't have too much paint because it drips if you have too much paint on your brush. It's gonna be like this. For this part too, I'll do the same. Compress it a little bit and go with the angle of the wall. You'll see what a smooth, nice and clean corner we have without using the tape. With this part, this little, I have to go from the right to see what I'm doing. And then this side both is gonna be yellow, so I'm gonna just paint the corner. You can be faster after doing some jobs if you are doing the painting as a professional. Do not worry, you are gonna get so fast. I'm just going like slow for you to see how it's gonna be like. And then you can paint it like this. Then go like this. I have a longer video in my channel and you can check it out if you need to. Thanks for watching this video and take care.